Hello, my name is Victor Mihalcea and I am a junior support engineer at btProvider. This is the first Talend SkillPill posted on this channel, so I will give a brief presentation of the tool and then I will show you how to build a simple input-output flow with an Excel source. So, what is Talend? Talend is an ETL, extract, transform and load tool. Through Talend we prepare data from various sources for analysis and use according to the project needs. So ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. Uh, the, the extract part is the data is extracted from various sources such as databases, CSV files, applications, or APIs. These sources can be internal or external to the organization. Also, extraction can be done periodically, every day, or in real time, depending on the needs. The transform part, after extraction, raw data is transformed into a format usable for analysis. This may involve cleaning the data by removing duplicates, inappropriate values, and errors. Standardizing data to a common format can also be part of the transformation. The load part, in the loading phase, the transformed data is loaded into the destination system, such as a data warehouse or an operational database. Data can be loaded incrementally or completely depending on requirements and loading strategies. The purpose of using an ETL tool, it's simple. It plays an essential role in ensuring the quality and consistency of data before use. Clean and consistent data lead to more accurate analysis and informed decision making. So here we are. Right now, we have nothing opened in Talend, but soon I'm gonna show you my job, the flow that I've built, and something to do with the metadata that helps me building this job. Okay, so this is the job that I built. This is the source file, the tfile input Excel. So this is the input also. So we had to use in metadata I've built from file Excel the superstore. Superstore is actually the Excel that we had, and after that we're going to build the schema that we have on this Excel. Okay, you can see here are the columns from the Excel, and now we can proceed on talking about what we did with this tfile input Excel. So the input. So we have property type, repository, because we have the source, Excel superstore, as you can see here. Here's the file Excel superstore, our Excel, and then we have on schema. Again, we have the schema. I can show you the schema. This is how it looks with the columns, with the type, with the date pattern. Also, when there's date, make sure you have the right date pattern for the date type. Okay. Going forward, we have a row main that helps us to see each data record being processed individually throughout the workflow after we run it. So you'll see above the line the numbers that flow to the tmap. Okay, we have the tmap also, where columns are mapped, and it helps with complex transformations. tmap provides a graphical interface to define complex transformations on the data. You can perform a lot of things such as filtering, aggregation, normalization, mathematical calculations, and more to modify the structure and content of the data according to your needs. So that's what tmap does. I can show you also how it looks. So here you can see the lines. All the columns are mapped right now. In the schema editor, you can see that all the dates, all data and all columns coincide with the one on the right, as it should be. Then we can go forward, proceeding with the tlog row. This is the output that we need to have the result in Talend. We can keep it right here. We can do it right here. We don't need another program right now for using this Excel source. Of course, we can use an SQL or a table or some other things. But right now we can stick with the 𝐸𝐸 row. So we have the table mode here. After we run it, you can see the result in the table format, and we can talk. You can see the schema, so it's repository again, and the schema is like this, schema of 𝐸𝐸 row. So exactly the same, they're the same every row and everything. Make sure to check that. You can sync columns also, it helps. And right now we can run it, run this flow and see what will he do. We just have to wait a second, and it's connected. And as you can see, the rows, the number of rows in how many seconds, so. And here we have this. This is the table that we need with the columns that we have, with the rows, all the rows that we have, and the values inside it. So everything is done. I hope I made it clear and it helps you along the way of learning Talend. Thank you for your attention, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.